Okay guys, so welcome to our fourth video. So this will be our last problem for implicit differentiation. Okay, so this time, kung papansinin nyo, so apply natin yung higher derivatives dito. So di namang sobrang higher, ayan. Kasi hanggang second derivative pa lang naman. Okay? Okay, so let's try to solve this one. So ang function natin is x squared plus y squared is equals to 4. Find the second derivative of this function. So, pag sinabing second derivative, so dalawang beses natin i-differentiate or di-derive tong function na to. Okay? So, first thing, so differentiate natin. So, first derivative. Actually dito, you can solve this using implicit, pwede ring normal. Kasi pwede mong ma-isolate yung y. Pero for discussion purposes, let's try to solve this implicitly. Okay? So, implicit yung gagamitin natin. Okay, so rekta na. So, to get the first derivative, so divide or derive both sides. So, sulat natin yung function. So, x squared plus y squared is equals to 4. Oh, let's derive both sides. So, derivative of x squared, so power formula 2x plus derivative of 2y of y squared, 2y. Since y nga yan, mag-multiply ka ng y prime. Diba? Equals to derivative of 4, 0. Then, common yung 2. So, divide both sides by 2 para mag-cancel out yung 2. So, may tira na lang x plus y prime is equals to 0. Then, isolate mo yung y prime by transposing x sa kabila. So, magiging, y prime is equals to negative x. Then, divide both sides by y. Ito na siya. This is your first derivative. Then, how do you get the second derivative? So, pwede dito, you can solve this using this function or pwedeng ito. So, ito na lang gamitin natin. So, mag-quotient tayo. Let's try to use quotient formula. So, para ma-review din kayo. Okay, by applying quotient formula, so quotient rule or quotient formula, or quotient rule of differentiation is to get the second derivative. So now, so derivative of y prime, so y double prime is equals to, so quotient rule is square of the denominator, di ba? Square yung denominator. Then yung denominator multiply by the derivative of the numerator. What is the derivative of negative x? Di ba? Negative 1 minus your numerator, which is negative x, multiply by the derivative of the denominator. What is the derivative of denominator? Di ba 1? Since y yan, so may y prime ka pa. So, multiply. So, derivative of y, which is 1, times y prime. Okay? So, yung 1 na yun, of course, derivative nung y. Di ba? Then, multiply mo na lang. So, y double prime is equals to negative y plus x y prime all over y squared. Ayun. So, clear tayo? So, ang ano natin is negative y plus x y prime over y squared. What's next, sir? Kung papansinin mo, di ba may y prime ka dito? And what is y prime? Di ba ito? So, yung y prime na ito, pwede mo siyang palitan itong equivalent, which is negative x plus y. So, palitan natin. So, y double prime is equals to negative y plus x times, so yung y prime papalitan ng negative x over y all over y squared. Naintindihan? So, pinalitan natin itong y prime nito. So, multiply. So, y double prime is equals to negative y minus x squared over y. Diba? All over y squared. So, tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa.